Hi, Kerry here. In a prior video, I showed you how to set up custom fields in the new invoice format. I've also shown you how to create reports using custom fields in the advanced plan. Now, what if you don't want to upgrade to the advanced plan and would like to run reports by custom field? I recently did this with a client and I thought it might be a good video to show you how you can achieve this also.
Now, for some reason, the sample company is not working, and I didn't want to delay getting this video out any longer because it's already been a while. So I'm kind of in this messed up sort of file that doesn't have a lot of great information, but I think it's got enough to show you what we want to do. So if you go to reports and standard reports, I like this find the search bar thing up here, and I just typed sales for sales by customer detail. And then here's what I've created. I've got some filters in here so it won't be too messy. I've got a test company, a test customer, another test customer, and it's just a basic sales detail report by customer. Now I have set up both the salesperson and a referred by, and I wanted to explore running the report not just for the salesperson, but also for referred by. So let's just see how we can filter this report. We'll pop up here to customize, and then we'll scroll down and we'll have a look for our salesperson. Here we go, sales rep, and we'll run the report. Now here we can see listed down here the salespeople we have on these particular invoices. They're not on the sales receipts, that's me. But here we go, we can see we've got Jennifer, Naveen, Alberto, and Fred. Now what we might want to do is go up here and group by our sales rep and run this report. And now we can see, I've got this for all dates because, as I mentioned, it's a made up file, but you might want to run it by month, by whatever period you want. And you can see it's now totaling it. Fred's got 2,650, Jennifer's 15,300. You get a little bit of an idea. And then of course these sales receipts that don't have any sales rep on them. Now let's take a look and add in that extra custom field, which is the one that I've added for the referral. So we'll customize here and we'll scroll down and we'll see if we can, referred by, here it is, and run the report. So now we have an additional field showing up down here for people who've referred things. And let's see if we have the option to group it by that customer. We do, by that custom field. And here it is. Now we can see over the last however long that Sarah has sent us nearly $33,000 worth of business. We might want to send her something more than a $20 Starbucks card, but maybe we just want to pop something in the mail to say thank you to James. So even if you are still using this old reporting format, there's a lot you can do with it.
I hope that's helpful. I also think there may be other ways to achieve the same thing. If you find a different way, make a note below. It could help someone else. And if you have more advanced reporting requirements, the advanced plan may be the way to go. But personally, I think if you don't need those advanced accounting options, being able to access this information in your existing plan will save you having to upgrade. And if this video was helpful, please do click like, subscribe, and if you haven't already, ring that little bell to be notified when I make a new video. If there's a topic you'd like to learn more about that I don't already have a video on, please do let me know. Cheers.